What's good, everybody? Bert Speed, and I'm back with another video. Today in this video, as you can see, we have a website where you would like, for example, to order some food. But suppose this is my website, and I want that anytime someone orders some food, I get a notification telling me that someone ordered something, and I can make delivery. Okay, suppose I just order what am I gonna order? Okay, this looks good, so I'm gonna suppose I ordered three of that. Okay, and I come to my website, and I get everything here, and then now I can pay. Okay, I can pay, but I want it whenever a user pays, I get a mail, okay, telling me this got paid. So let's say, oh, the name is gonna be Bert Speed. Okay, Bert Speed, and the phone number is gonna be some phone number. And let me say, if I click here, for example, and I click order, it's gonna order. Now what you need to do is, in Django, you need to come to your Django settings folder, and after that you go to the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bottom just right now in the settings folder. Okay, you go to the bottom, and we are going to write this. I already have it, but since you guys don't have it, we're gonna do it together. So you're gonna need first the email host. Okay, so first gonna be the email host, just like this, underscore host. Okay, we are also gonna be needing the email host user, underscore user. So we are also gonna be needing the email host password, like this, the password. Then we're gonna need the email port, underscore port. We're gonna need the email use TLS, email use underscore TLS. Okay, and the last thing we're gonna need, which is very important, do not forget that one, is gonna be the email underscore backend, just like this. Okay, now we're gonna fill in the informations. So the email host is gonna be the SMTP server. So it's gonna be here. If you're using Google, in my case I'm using Google, my email is Google, so it's gonna be smtp.gmail.com. Okay, and now the email host user, that's gonna be, now you are the user, so it's gonna be your email address. So mine is gonna be berdelaspeed@gmail.com, and here you're gonna enter the password, but here is gonna be a little different. It's not gonna be your regular Gmail password, because if you put that one, it's gonna notice that the request is gonna notice that the request is not coming directly from you. It's coming from another app. So you're gonna have to create a password from an app. Okay, I'm gonna do that as last. So here the email port is gonna be 587. So it's gonna be 587, just like like this. And here, this one is gonna be true. Okay, if you can see here, some people do use this, because this can be necessary for you if you're not using Gmail, for example. If you're using something else, maybe you're gonna have to turn this one on and try true and false. But since I'm using Gmail, I don't need this one. Okay, the email use SSL, I don't need it. So the email backend, this one is going to be, it's kind of pretty long, so it's going to be django.core.mail.backends.smtp.backends. Is that correct? Wait, what am I saying? It's not dot backends. smtp dot email backend, like this. Let me check it out again. So it's going to be django.core.mail.backends.smtp email backends. All right, correct. Now the last one here, the email host password. Okay, for you to get it, you have to come to your Gmail account. You're gonna have to click on those 8 dots. Is it 8? No, it's 9. Okay, and then you click on account. Okay, after you click on account, you should see security here on your left hand side. You click on that one, and then in the bottom you're gonna see signing to Google. Okay, so here you see app password. So if you don't have it, then you have to create it. I already have one, but I'm gonna create another one so that you see how it's done. Okay, so you click here and you let it load. Okay, then you're gonna have to log in again. Okay, then make sure you know your password. You enter your password, you click next, and then it takes you to the page where you are gonna be allowed to create the app password. So here you're gonna select the app. I need a mail. I need to make mail, so mine is gonna be mail. And device, I'm not using a phone. I'm using a computer right now, so I'm gonna take computer. And then here you click generate. Okay, and once you click generate, it's gonna generate a password for you here. Okay, I don't know what you're gonna wait. You just gotta copy this. You copy this one, and you come here and you put it inside here. Okay, with in quotes. You put it in quotes, but I'm not gonna use that one because I already have it stored on a what? I already have it stored on an env. So if I remember right, mine is named host. I named it host password, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Okay, and after that, you are going to go into your views. For example, if you have a the function that's gonna make it send the request, the mail request. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here, and I need to make an import. So I'm gonna import. Hope it's not caps. Okay, it's caps. So I'm gonna import. I'm gonna say from Django.core.mail. I'm gonna import send email. No, not send email, send mail. Okay, just like this. Now I'm gonna go and send the mail just like this. It's not gonna be very difficult. So here I have the message I'm gonna send. Okay, this is like the client, the name of the client, and leaving at the address this, and with the phone number of this, like whatever was available on that on our website. So the name, the contact, the address, and the total to pay. So I already got everything stored on that body here, like body with double D. So I'm just storing everything there. So now I'm gonna do send mail. So it's gonna be, let me just go under. I'm gonna do send underscore mail. And when you're gonna send the mail, you need a title of the mail. Okay, so mine is gonna be order from website. Let's say order from website, just like this. Okay, this is gonna be the title of the mail. And now you need the body of the mail. I already got the body here. Okay, if you want to write something or customize it, you can do that, but I already got everything stored here. So mine is gonna be just body, just like this, body with the double D. And you have to tell, no, that's not what I want to do. Then you gotta do from who the message coming from. The message is coming from you, so it should be your email address. So I could say bert.speed@gmail.com. So it's coming, it's gonna be from me, and it's gonna go to, suppose it's my website though. So I want it to come, the message is gonna be from me to me. So it's gonna be from bert.speed to bert.speed, okay, to bert.speed@gmail.com. As you can see here, it's an array. So if you wanted to send it to, if you wanted to send it to many people, you could just put the comma here and put someone else at something that, you know, just like that. But since I'm just sending it to me myself, just gonna be like this, and I don't want it to fail. I don't want it to silently fail. So I'm gonna send the silent fail to false. So I'm gonna do fail silently, and I'm gonna put it to false, just like this. There seems to be something wrong with a fail silently. No, there's nothing wrong. It's the comma here. Okay, I guess this is it. So now, if I go to the website and I say bert.speed with the phone number of this, the address of this is, I'm paying. So if I click order, I should receive, it's gonna be, let's wait a little bit to see if I receive something, if it works. Okay, there's a problem here. The account SSID not found. Okay. This is something not related to Okay, I'm just gonna comment the whole thing here and comment this whole thing here as well, just like this. Yeah, so I guess now if I click, oh no, I think I gotta refresh this and put Bertla speed here with the phone number of this, paying with this. Hope it works. I hope I don't have any error. Yeah, it works. Okay, it worked. Now here, if you come here, oh, the first one actually worked. Yeah, the first one actually worked. It's here. So as you can see here, I get a mail. I get the mail here. The order is from the website, so you can customize it the way you want. So mine is coming from the website, so I have it here from the website. If you click, you have it here. This is the way I customize it. If you remember here on the body, where's the body here? You see this? The client with the client Bertla Speed living at the address of this with the phone number of this as ordered this and the total is this. All right, so this is how you could send mails using Django. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.